Because you know what? In 2023, no one's going to be calling me bald-headed no more. I don't know if people call me bald-headed, but I feel like it's out there. Hello, let's start off with the cliche YouTube. Subscribe, like, comment after the end of the video because it doesn't make sense to comment right now. My name is Ariel and I hope you enjoyed my video. Today we're going to be talking about my goals for 2022 and when I hit 2023. So, the do's, the don'ts, and a little short story. Let's start off with the good, the bad, and the getting better. First, I want to show off with this clip. Well, not clip. I want to start off with this picture of when baby girl was good, flourishing. I was working in mostly a restaurant job. I was wearing a slap cap, cornrows all the time, and doing my regular shampoos and just not touching my hair, putting it away. And then around that time, it was around my birthday, so I was feeling spicy. And I was messing with my hair and I wasn't messing with it, but I was playing with it. But I was playing with it and then redoing it too many times within the week. And I just was like feeling myself because I was feeling myself. Wait, also, I'm going to take this off because I was like, well, I'm going to do this video in a wig anyway. But yeah, I was feeling myself and I got a little sidetracked, and I end up starting looking like this. You see the breakage on the sides, you see the breakage on the top. It's like a mohawk, but not purposefully. I don't know what happened. It was around that time. I think this picture was taken in February, and I just was like, la-di-da, manipulation, breakage. I don't think I was keeping up with my trims because I was trying to follow that whole, I only cut my hair once every year or twice every year. Basura. And I didn't learn my lesson and I it's just is a mess. And now I'm getting to this point, but I'm trying to go back to these. A mess. So we're gonna start off with the do's and the don'ts. I'm gonna go back and forth. So my first do is keep up with my trims. I'm actually gonna start going to, I'm actually gonna start going to Fro House in Jersey. That's a long way for me because that's like a 2-hour commute, but it's worth it. As long as I don't take no Jersey bus. Excuse me, I'll get lost. I'm keeping up with my trims every 3 months or whatever it's recommended by the stylist, and I feel like when I used to get my hair done professionally, actually it was better. Someone else doing it, someone else telling me what I'm doing wrong, and I'm very hard-headed, and no more YouTube University. No more of that. My don'ts, doing the most. Just why? Why do the most? When I don't do the most, my hair is better. When I do the most, my hair looks like this. When I don't do the most, it looks like this. So we're gonna keep that up. Do's, shampoos. I tried the whole shampooing my hair once every 2 months, even once every month. I didn't really see the difference of that whole dirty hair, grossy hair, but it's like, no, you're retaining your length because you're not touching it. That's it. But it's still dirty. Like, wash your scalp. So I'm going to shampoo once a week, minimum. Don'ts, oils. Honestly, I used to do the whole oil thing and I didn't see that much of like, oh my God, I didn't feel that need. And then when I would do hairstyles without oil, I'm like, it ain't doing what the girl said it's doing for me. Just doesn't work for me. I just people have bolder statements of oils, but I'm just gonna do the little neutral thing of saying it don't work for me. My hair still looks the same. Gel is already shiny. Curling defining cream always this stuff has oil in it already, so I feel like I just don't need oil. Next, cornrows. See them? They look crazy. It's been 2 weeks. I've been keeping my cornrows a month and still shampooing and spraying a little leave-in. And honestly, my hair's been flourishing like no business. And my mom does them. I pre-stretched them out. I had my mom braid my hair, and yeah, just not doing the most, and just old school. Like when I used to cornrows when I was a kid, this used to be the thing, and my hair would be like, wow. One of my don'ts is to not forget to wrap my hair up at night. I forget. Sometimes I get sometimes I get overheated because I'm anemic, diagnosed anemic, and I get very cold easily. But the problem is I'll wake up in a puddle of sweat, and then the first thing I want to swipe off at the night is my head wrap. So I have to like chill with the heat and make sure it stays on. Also, wash your scarves. That's nasty. Another do, my headband wig. I've done the wigs with the bangs. My favorite, like my wigs that I wear for like pictures. I wear them for pictures, but like my go-to, not messing up my edges, not causing tension, is my headband wig. And it's just perfect, and it's not in my face, so I'm not also breaking out horribly. It's on my neck, but it's long enough where it's not on my neck. It's just like right there. And it takes me 10 seconds to put it on. I don't do the baby hairs. I'm lazy. I have them, but I'm just lazy. I'm just lazy. Don't. Product junkie. It doesn't serve me purpose anyway. I don't wear my hair out that much where, oh, I need all these products. Why do I have all these products and I don't wear my hair out? 1 + 1 = 2, like Beyonce says. Anyway, it just doesn't serve purpose. Some people, they need that, because like Tyra May, she got so much hair, like it's crazy. She has so much hair that she's one of those people, she goes through like half a jar. She can be a product junkie. Me, my dues: clarifying, determining how much you exercise, how much you sweat, clarifying. Some people clarify every week. Some people clarify once every 2 weeks. Some people clarify once a month. You're supposed to shampoo in between those times, but you determine when it's the best time for you to clarify. I feel like for me, every 2 weeks, or definitely every time I take out my cornrows. And my last don't is rushing, taking out my protective styles, rushing to put them in, rushing to wash my hair. Cause I don't like to do the whole 6-hour wash day thing, but I still need to take my time. It's not a race. It's not gonna take me more than 10 more extra minutes to be not so fast going through my hair. So yeah, those are my do's and my don'ts. And my goals. Let's talk about my goals. So my goals, I'm gonna have a few pictures. I'm gonna look them up first. But I'm gonna have a few pictures of realistic goals by the summertime, which is maybe about 6 months from now. Realistic. I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have waist length hair by no, that's not realistic. Start with this girl from Instagram, Bev the Best. I'll just put the whole thing screenshot here, video clip. I think this is a realistic goal for me to have my hair at a certain length by the summertime with a twist down, not a wash and go. Wash and go is gonna, next summer it'll be hitting that length. But like a twist out, braid out, this will be realistically where I want my hair to be. I want it to kind of like halo over my face a little bit, like a halo, and have little bangs, some sort of bangs. Yeah, would like this to be, but I don't know. This like fluffed out afro, I don't know if I could get there. Maybe like an inch less of this girl wearing hers, because I feel like I like to be realistic. Your hair grows 6 inches in 1 year. So how much is that in 6 months? 3 inches. If I don't breakage, retain my length, and keep up with my trims and blah, 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 blah. For me to at least have this type of length of mini braids, mini twists by the winter. So this is like a full year going. And I feel like I definitely could get this length where I could wear mini braids, mini twists that would reach my shoulder length. And protective styles would not be a thing for me anymore when it comes to like added hair, wigs. Wigs would just be there for like when I want to switch it up. But I need to stop doing the T-Rex arms. That's my goal for that is my goal, at least by the end of the year. Also, one of my other goals is curl fest. I want to wear my hair out in curl fest. I'll show a picture of exactly how I want to do it. Like, I already have my outfit. Such a tech girl. Outfits. I'm there for like the socialization and the picture taking and just like seeing that many black women all around. It's nice. My last goal for the summer is to actually wear my hair out. I don't want to be one of those naturals who just protect their style, because I want to do my hair at least twice a month, which lasts within a week. So half of the month, my hair will be out. I think that's reasonable, not too much. I'm gonna leave my hair out for a week because the over manipulating, retwisting, redoing this, it's too much. And all in all, my goals are kind of realistic, I feel, for myself and knowing my habits. I'm not saying waist length hair or it's down to my knees. I'm just want nice, good. I want like Goldie naps, like her size of her fro at a certain point. Maybe next summer I'll get there. But I'm just gonna keep up with my trims. I'm a little nervous. This is my first time going to a hair salon too in 2022. I'm scared. I'm not scared, but it's like, what are they gonna say about my hair? I don't think it's bad. Like, I do my trims at home and I know I shouldn't. I use good scissors. It's not even. It's a little sparse in the back. I used to pull my hair out when I was a kid. But I feel like if I keep this track, and I think with my work schedule and me being busy and then content creating, I don't know why my voice went that deep, but with content creating and then working, I don't have time to be like, oh, I want to take out my braids and see the length retention I got from these braids. No, I'm leaving them in. I'm washing them. When it's time to wash day, it's time to take them out. And it's cold, so I like my little wig, feels like a little hat, keep you snug as a bug in a rug. I hope you liked this video, and I really hope you join me with this journey of 2022, and there'll be more videos and lunch checks and yeah, just it's about health, consistency, and keeping up with trims and washing your hair, because we wash our butt, but we need to wash our hair too. I hope you like my video, and yeah, I hope you like my video. So comment about your goals and what you expect for 2022 and what your goals for the year when it comes to hair. Are you going to be a product junkie or are you not going to be a product junkie? Keep up your trims, going to professionals, doing it at home. How much do you shampoo your hair? What do you think about the no oils, no butters? What do you think about that? Are you doing that or you're not doing that? Yeah. Anyway, I hope you come again. Like, subscribe, comment. Whoop, whoop. See you again.